What's going on? It's a long time no see, and I really wanted to talk about something. And I see a lot of people giving y'all misinformation on the internet, but we want to keep it 100, on this channel. And the issue that I see with a lot of people is ignorance regurgitating more information. Okay, like I've seen some of the dumbest shit on the planet on the internet, and it's crazy how people regurgitate stuff. Now, one of the things I'm going to talk about is CPNs. Now, are CPNs illegal? No. There are no cases to prove that a CPN is illegal. Now, if you do something like take a CPN from a dead person or take a CPN from a baby or whatever, yes, that is illegal. Why? Because that is fraud. Okay, you need to understand what fraud is. So when you create a CPN and you conduct fraud, that's what the FBI is talking about. Now, if you look on the FBI website for truth, you're not going to find it there because the FBI is going to do whatever they can to deceive you into believing that a CPN is illegal. Okay, an address is a CPN, a phone number is a CPN, a name is a CPN. Now, I know you might say, well, a name, that's not a number. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, when it comes down to a credit profile number, an EIN number is a CPN. You know what I'm saying? A TIN is a CPN. A social security number is a CPN. Even though it's administrated from the Social Security Administration, it's still a TIN. I mean, it's still a CPN. It's a credit profile number. Why? You can use it to obtain credit in goods. So when you see these people on the internet who are ignorant about how a CPN works, they'll show a court case where somebody has committed fraud with a CPN. They don't show one where somebody is an average, 9 to 5 worker got a CPN so they can, have their own privacy. No, they won't show that. But they'll show a court case where somebody was committing fraud with the CPN and not understanding that they committed fraud. That's why they're going to jail. The key is to read the cases. That's like I read almost every 1099 OID case out there. And you still have people on the internet saying the Fed said a 1099 OID is illegal. A 1099 OID is illegal. No, you have to read the case. The people who are doing the 1099 OIDs were committing fraud. There's a big difference. So is a CPN illegal? No, it is not. But you can use it in an illegal manner. And from there, those alphabet boys are correct to come after you. Okay? Everything is a CPN number. An EIN number is a CPN number. As I said, a social security number is a CPN number. An address is a CPN number. These are all things that are used on your credit profile. Okay? That's what constitutes or makes them credit profile numbers. Now, people call a CPN credit privacy number. I mean, it really is no definite term for CPN, just like there's no definite term for like mass shooting. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you know it's fake. But I want people to understand this because you're seeing stuff on the internet, it's redundant. Please read cases. So if somebody shows you a channel and says that a CPN is illegal, ask them to cite a case that shows that a CPN is illegal. So you can actually read the case and see why the person went to jail or why they were whatever happened. You see what I'm saying? Don't just take somebody's word for something. Go read the actual case. Just like go actually read Roe versus Wade, opposed to sitting there saying Roe versus Wade says this. Go actually read the damn case. So then you'll see what the case is really about. Okay? So I just wanted to drop in. This is a short video, but yes, CPNs are not illegal. Also, getting PPP loans in your government name is not illegal. But if you fill out the documents and you commit an illegal act or commit fraud, then yes, the alphabet boys are coming for you. It's okay. There's a way out of that, but I'm not going to get into that. But a lot of times what people do is they commit fraud with their paperwork or they commit fraud and they're doing something fraudulently, and that's where you get where CPNs got a bad knack. Really, the reason why they get a real bad knack or a bad kind of ominous type of thing is because most so-called creditors want to be able to locate a debtor, and with a so-called credit profile number or credit privacy number, it makes it harder and muddies the water for people to be able to find certain people. You know what I'm saying? So the system always wants the people to stay in to be easy to be controlled. That's why a CPN is so dangerous to some people. and some so-called debt collectors. But most of the people on the internet that's doing things about CPNs actually have no knowledge of CPNs. They never even studied them. You know what I'm saying? So a CPN is not always something an illegal number given to you by somebody. It can be an EIN number from the IRS. That's a CPN number also, because you use an EIN number to obtain banking or credit. So they're both credit profile numbers, or if you call it credit privacy numbers. I'm out.